You guys, I'm so exhausted this morning. It has been the most exhausting time, and I got an email this morning that I won internet. Alright, that's kind of working. What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, I'm in a place that you haven't seen in a vlog in like, I don't know, a year or something. I'm at school. This is my new classroom. Take a peek. It's a hot mess. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. But I'm at school just getting stuff ready because I'm sending home October writing. So I'm putting all of that together because it goes home on Wednesday. What did I do? I wasn't paying attention. In case you missed my life on Instagram today, I have been struggling. I've been very open about that this whole distance learning situation has its positives and negatives, and lately the negatives have been outweighing the positives. By the way, I'm in my classroom, so I don't have to wear a mask. Nobody's in here, the door is shut. And then when I go anywhere else in the building, I put it on, so just want that on the record. It was hot in here. There's clearly no AC in my room, so not wearing it. Anyway, this morning I felt particularly drained. I've been out of town the last 2 weeks in a row, which has been great because it has forced me not to work, which I love, and it was nice to get out and see people who aren't living within the walls of my house. However, that is tiring in and of itself, which when you're already exhausted from your day-to-day life, adding that on top of it just kind of makes the exhaustion even more. So I woke up this morning and I was just already struggling. I'm also going to try really hard not to cry in this video, but I'm not going to make any promises. I didn't even really get myself ready until like 7:45. I had a meeting at 8:30. It was very rushed, and I'm just like trying to get through the day right now. And the first thing I usually do is check my email, which I'd already checked my email on my phone earlier in the morning, but I went to check my email right before I logged on for a meeting. And a couple weeks ago, my principal had forwarded an email that was an application to our main internet provider here in town. Was doing a contest with our local hockey team for free high-speed internet for a teacher for the remainder of the school year. And I've talked about this a lot on my channel, that one of the main things that I've had an issue with is my internet. It works okay for the kids. Sometimes it glitches and they get kind of confused, they can't handle that my mouth doesn't match my voice. So they get a little frustrated, and then uploading the pre-recorded videos and things, I've had to go to my mom's and use her internet because it takes hours for one 5-hour video to upload. And when I have 10 of those, there's not enough hours in the day. So I checked my email, and I had an email from the contest, the grant, and I won. And really trying not to cry, but to win this was huge. For me, there's also supposedly some sort of cash prize. I'm not really sure how much it is, or if it's to a certain store, or if it's cash. I don't actually know that. And just maybe get some more fun supplies that I could send home just to brighten the kids' days. I would love to send home book buddies, and there's just stuff I haven't been able to make happen. I get so emotional whenever I talk about it. Anyway, I've done as much as I can. I'm so thankful in this pandemic that I still have a job. So thankful this whole time I've still been getting paid, which a lot of people I know included in that didn't. And I've seen how stressful that is. So this entire pandemic, the one thing that I've been so thankful for is the fact that I have a job and a steady income and not in danger of losing that job either. Thankfully, I'm very needed right now, but I haven't been able to provide as much as I would like. I was so thankful that I did the Scholastics book raiser to get money into my Scholastic account, and I have more than enough to provide each of my kids with at least one book a month, a book for their birthday. Unfortunately, those books have been delayed, so I've ordered books. They haven't come yet, so I haven't been able to send them home. But other than that, like there hasn't been a lot that I've been able to do for them. So this just came at a time. This came at a time that I've really been struggling with this situation, and this was such a blessing. I'm so thankful. So anyway, that aside, I have my October writing done, which I'm really excited about. I think they're going to be really fun themes that some are similar to last year, some are different, but I'm really excited to do these with the kids, and there's not a lot of excitement going on, so I'm going to try and make these fun since we're not getting a whole lot of fun right now. Unfortunately, I forgot the kids' folders, so I'm going to stuff these tonight and bring them back tomorrow and put them out for the kids to pick up on Wednesday. And then one of the sweet mamas in my class, she wood engraved these. Let me see if I can get it to focus so you can see. Just regular pencils, but she like engraved the kids' names in each of the pencils. So I think that's going to be a fun little treat for them too. So I'll give you a tour of my new classroom since I don't know when the next time is I'll be here besides tomorrow. Here it is. It is a complete disaster. I have no plan at all. We're getting new carpet in like 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. So setting up the room was pointless because they literally have to take everything out of here to put the new carpet in. So a lot of this stuff I'm actually just gonna probably take home, so it's out of the way. And then once they get the carpet done, I will come back and kind of organize. I don't know, until we have a plan and know what's happening. So, like, I don't even remember what stuff I own. We are doing fire safety, so I'm gonna take my uncle's fire hat home. But this is my new classroom. It is significantly smaller than my old classroom. Unfortunately, I was spoiled rotten with my old classroom, for sure. And I knew that. So I definitely miss that, but I think this room will do, and hopefully sometime in the very near future the babes are gonna get to come in here and we get to be in here together. I don't even remember what it feels like to teach in a classroom because it's been like 8 months. It's weird, but that's the mess of this room. And apparently I'm getting a smart board. The wardrobes look the same. Like I have most of my stuff's at home. This is like full of storage stuff. Yeah, it's a mess. I just wanted to make that quick video and say basically my quick, like, how grateful I am right now. And clearly you can see by how emotional I get that this was a huge blessing, and I'm not taking it for granted. And I know that I'm very, very lucky right now, and I want to thank Cox and the Vegas Golden Knights Foundation because they have just given me the little boost that I needed right now to keep working for my kids and keep just trying to make this situation the best that it can be. So thank you for watching, and pay it forward, people. Like, we all need it right now. So I hope that you have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, I have to document this because this is so exciting. Okay, on Monday, I got the email that I won our Cox and Vegas Golden Knights internet contest for teachers. Anyway, my package of goodies just got here, so we're gonna unbox it. Hopefully no kids log on right now, because I'm very excited. This is so exciting. I have no idea what this is, by the way, and I got an email from Cox this morning to set that up, so. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, I have to show you. Aww, so this is what it looks like when I open it. Alright, a letter. Oh, free upgraded high-speed internet, thank goodness. A few extra surprises. Aww. Okay, so let's see. It says there's gonna be some sort of like cheers. Look at confetti. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I didn't think it was gonna be this exciting. Aww. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture with that. Oh my goodness. Oh, stop. Okay. You guys, this is so exciting. I wasn't expecting, like, oh my gosh. Okay. So, we have, oh, there's tape. Oh, a little pom-pom. How cute. Goes with my school, so we'll take it. Aww. 2020 Cox VGKF Teacher Education Grant recipient. That is a nice mug, y'all. Oh my goodness. We can always use more coffee mugs in this house. If you know, you know. Cute. It's like, I guess it's like a megaphone. Definitely can use that when we go back to school. Cute. Cute, cute. I'm gonna put this in the treasure box. Ooh. Vegas Golden Knights Foundation pen. Oh my gosh, a Knights mask. I love it. I will totally wear this. I need to wash that. Oh, that is cute. Good quality. We love a Knights mask. Absolutely. Okay, there's, oh, we have a little backpack. Cute. We can put all these goodies inside. This is all just paper. Yes. All right. Oh, wait. There's something else. Oh, a hockey puck. How cool. Oh my gosh, it's like a real hockey puck. That is so cool. Okay, I think that's everything. Oh my gosh, I feel so special. I've never won something like this cool. Like, so this sign is legit too. It's like real. Oh, and it stands up. How cute. So the directions basically said to take a picture in my remote classroom, so I need to clean up a little bit. And email it in while displaying any of the other congratulatory items in your remote classroom. First of all, I'm gonna wash that mask and I'm gonna wash that cup. We're gonna get those displayed. I don't know how I'm gonna display this, but this is cool. So definitely going to display that somewhere. Clearly I need to clean up. I'm so grateful, beyond grateful right now. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I'm definitely nothing special. I'm definitely doing what every other teacher right now is doing, and I can't believe how lucky I am. I want to continue to pay this forward and just keep trying to help my kids through this crazy time as much as I can. So, wow. I'm so grateful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.